Great morning guys! Sama kayo sa aming recent Bohol trip. I-share namin sa inyo ang aming mga napuntahan, mga kinainan, at sana mag-enjoy kayo. Sa aming day 3, kain muna tayo ng breakfast prepared by Kachaho.
Gising. Kumain na.
Good morning! We ate our breakfast first. Then, ang schedule namin 10, darating ulit yung sundo from early cry. So, yun. Panglaw tour daw kami today. Langguli siya. Last day namin dito sa Bohol, so more on Panglao. So, pupuntahan muna namin first up Shell Museum, mag-bee farm, Bohol Bee Farm kami today.
Another yarn.
And then, puntahan namin yung Dollar Ridge.
Saya sa Bohol. Parang galit ka, Mars. Saya.
Kasi yung mga first timer, oh, busog oh.
Kita yun siya ni Eric. Sige, sama kayo. Bye! Pre pa yan! Tikuluan. First up, Nova Shell Museum. Ang Nova Shell Museum has one of the world's biggest seashell collections. The owner and founder is si Mr. Quirino Jora. Alam nyo ba na may 2 shells named after Mr. Jora? One is Bursa Quirijoray and the other is Primovula Joray. These shells were discovered in the waters of Panglao noong 1987 and 1994 respectively. Sadly, Mr. Jora already died this 2024 but his legacy lives on through his museum.
Wala namang nalasan dito. Tridak na, ayan yung tinatawag na tridak na gigas.
Oo, hindi lang siguro naman. Pulit ba?
Replica po. Hindi po yung seahorse.
Don't touch anything, no one. Don't touch anything.
Hindi nga pinapansin yan dun eh.
Meron dito tinatawag po na Nautilus, the fastest swimming ship. Wow! Ito yung inside. Para siyang propeller na submarine. Kayo, yung first nuclear submarine
Dinosaur
na
yan.
Nautilus 1, dito nakabase siya.
Wow!
Ray-rest yung nasa gitna.
Ang ganda!
So, yung may-ari po nito is private.
Private po ito, owned by a Filipino shell collector, Mr. Quirino.
So, ito, usually na bibili na lang niya through auctions or may
Nabibili,
mga...
oo.
May mga contacts din.
Oh. Oy, there's a mermaid.
Smallest shell.
What's that?
Nagkakahalaga
That's
ng
the smallest shell in the world.
one of the smallest
One
shell
of the smallest shell
in the Philippines.
in the Philippines.
Glows in the dark when it's alive.
Oh, it goes in the dark.
Yes.
Next up, Dollar Ridge. Sunod namin pinuntahan is ang Dollar Ridge Chocolate House. Dollar Ridge Food Products started way back 1994 as a small family business nila Mr. and Mrs. Ricardo Polot with the help of their daughter Dollar Ridge. Si Dollar Ridge ay also known as Bohol Chocolate Princess. Tablea ang kanilang main product that they produce which came from cacao beans. Alam nyo ba na ang father ni Dollar Ridge ay dating tricycle driver, then her mother ay street cleaner. Eager to help her parents, Dollar Ridge's dream was to make bean-to-bar chocolate using Bohol's homegrown cacao beans. And yes, Dollar Ridge is living that dream na. Isa sa kanilang product na ino-offer ay ang ginto chocolates na gawa sa locally grown cacao trees planted by farmers from different towns sa Bohol. September 2017, inopen ng family ang Dollar Ridge Chocolate House. Pwedeng bumisita ang mga tourists to get a glance of their story and business and buy their very delicious and high-quality chocolate products.
Ay, po kayo. Tapos picture natin.
Madali.
Nakakatuwa kasi we really felt at home nung bumisita kami. Tapos, daming patikim for free. In all honesty, dapat isama ng mga Bohol Tourist Transportation Companies ang pag-visit sa Dalarich Chocolate House. Dalarich and the business bring prestige and honor for the Philippines sa ibang bansa. Kaya, dapat masuportahan natin siya kahit man lang through visiting Dalarich Chocolate House.
So we coated with our chocolate.
Wow.
What can you say about Dalarich?
Super nakaka-proud.
Sobrang nakaka-proud.
Kasi gawang Pinoy.
At sobrang sarap.
We also have
This
our
one.
Tablaya Polvoron.
Thank you.
Kailan na natin ng ano po ng buwan?
Picture mo selfie.
Meron ka pa.
Oh, matamis. Tikman mo, tikman.
Oh, tikman.
Tikman mo.
Excited?
Parang marang. Parang
Marang po, marang
Oo.
opo.
Yummy and Mars.
Oh, tikman mo. Matamis, maasim.
Maasim man ang
Tikman mo ang cacao fruit.
Thank you!
paper pretty.
Mami, ano pong name niyo, Mami?
Thank you po.
Thank you po. Ay, si Mami.
Thank you po. Dito na kami sa Bohol Bee Farm. So, most likely, dito na rin kami magla-lunch.
Welcome back.
And, yeah. Let's go! Wow! Happy na si Lucho!
The restaurant. Restaurant.
Asan si Patso? Hindi ka ito, Patso.
Aside sa view ng dagat at great ambience ng restaurant, they do serve super delicious food. Finish your food first. Sit down.
Laki na. One more.
Ay, gusto yan ni Jem kasi si Jem nagagaganchilyo eh.
Ay, oo. Bango.
Isang charcoal.
Huwag din ninyong palampasin, tikman ang kanilang masarap na ice cream. Yes. Thank you.
Ay, sorry.
Como.
Ay, ang ganda ng balot, ah. Ang kalat.
Kanila rin.
Ay, natin.
Coconut wine.
Coconut wine?
Yeah.
Sarap. Other than the restaurant, you can book a stay here as well. Ikutin ang kanilang property and check out their souvenirs.
Thank you, Bohol Bee Farms.
Napakaganda. Napakabalikan.
Balik pool.
Balik sa Bohol. Balik.
Sa mga na-experience namin sa Bohol simula pa noon till this trip, masasabi namin na masarap mamasyal dito. From the sea, to the food, and places to visit, mapapakanta ka na lang ng balik sa Bohol, balik. That's it! Hope our itinerary can be your guide going to Bohol. Marami pang pwedeng puntahan at gawin dito kaya make sure to research and tell your tourist guide ahead what you want to visit. See you next time! Bye!